Machines in 2026 are breaking every limit we thought existed. These aren't just tools, they are engineering marvels that lift, dig, fly, and think at levels once only seen in science fiction. From towering mega cranes and colossal mining giants to autonomous robots that move with human-like precision, each machine you're about to see is rewriting the rules of power, speed, and innovation. Get ready to witness technology that doesn't just change the way we work, it changes the world itself. Let's get started. XCMG 8000 is a towering benchmark in ultra-heavy lifting, a tracked crane built for jobs where failure is not an option, and the loads are measured in thousands of tons. It ranks among the most powerful crawler cranes ever produced, pushing modern lifting technology to extremes few machines can match. This crane carries a maximum lifting capacity of 4,000 tons, with verified test and project lifts that push even higher, placing it at the top of today's production cranes. Its 88,000 ton-meter load moment shows how much weight it can handle even at wide working radii, and its main boom reaches beyond 525 feet. When operators pair it with optional jib setups, the crane gains the height and reach needed for massive petrochemical plants, wind farms, and industrial installations where components must be set with absolute precision. Movement and lifting power come from 3 separate US-built Cummins diesel engines. Each unit drives its own hydraulic system to control hoisting, luffing, heavy lift functions, and travel operations. That triple-engine layout provides backup strength and smooth performance during long, critical lifts. The crane supports straight-line travel, crab travel, and cross-travel, so crews can reposition the entire structure across a job site without losing stability or control. MHB Badger Breaker is a heavyweight concrete pavement breaker engineered for high-productivity demolition and rubberization on road and highway projects. It stands out for delivering continuous side-to-side braking action with independently controlled hammers that let contractors tailor impact energy and brake patterns to the exact demands of the job site. This self-propelled, rubber-tired machine comes standard with 12 large hammers, each weighing between 1,200 and 1,750 pounds, arranged in pairs across forward and rear rows for seamless coverage. Each hammer assembly is mounted to its own hydraulic lift cylinder, producing 1,000 to 8,000 foot-pounds of impact energy depending on lift height selected and cycling at 30 to 35 impacts per minute, which maximizes brake efficiency while reducing unnecessary vibration. The 5700D curb and gutter machine is the industry's leading concrete slipform paver, engineered to deliver precision, power, and versatility on any road infrastructure job from parking lots to highway barriers. Equipped with a Cummins QSB 4.5 diesel engine generating 130 horsepower at 2,400 RPM, it balances strength with efficiency for continuous pours. The SlipSmart control system sets a new standard in operator responsiveness and ease of use, offering smooth cross-slope adjustments, auto-calibration for radius steering, fine speed scaling, and seamless readiness for Leica, Topcon, and Trimble 3D or stringless grade controls. Operators benefit from a clear, standardized display with simplified switches, jog functions that raise or lower all crawler posts at once, and a master vibrator scale knob that fine-tunes concrete consolidation without complexity. 5 emergency stops and an onboard horn enhance safety throughout the pour. Fantini G70 is a beast of a machine built for precision and power, turning massive marble blocks and ornamental stone faces into perfectly cut pieces with unmatched efficiency. Mounted on a heavy-duty crawler chassis, it can tackle horizontal, vertical, or even inclined cuts up to 10 feet deep in a single setup, saving hours of repositioning time on quarry or tunnel sites. Its cutter arm and head rotate a full 360 degrees, letting operators align the chain for the perfect approach angle on hard stone, while the all-electric drive delivers up to 100 kilowatts of cutting power. There's also a hybrid version with 78 kilowatts of electric power plus a 55 kilowatt engine for extended mobility on the tracks. Weighing in at around 49,000 pounds and carrying 300 litres of hydraulic oil, the Fantini G70 is built to handle the toughest jobs with precision and control. The cutting chain itself runs at variable speeds up to 0.8 meters per second, giving operators full mastery over depth and chip flow, producing clean, controlled cuts every time. From quarry floors to tunnel walls, this machine transforms how heavy stone is shaped, making it an essential tool for industrial stone cutting on a massive scale. Menzi Muck M5X All-Terrain. Walking excavator is an extreme off-road machine engineered to tackle some of the most rugged, uneven, and steep terrain on Earth with confidence and stability. It is built on a patented, adjustable undercarriage with independent wheel and leg movement that lets it climb slopes up to 45 degrees down the fall line and 30 degrees across the slope, far beyond what conventional wheeled or tracked equipment can manage. Unlike a typical tractor, this isn't just four-wheel drive. It uses a high-tech walking chassis system with intelligent geometry and VX-drive stepless power delivery that keeps all four wheels in firm contact with the ground while negotiating rocky embankments, forest floors, riverbanks, or uneven access cuts. Its adjustable wheel width can expand to about 6 meters for greater stability on extreme side slopes and uneven ground. Power comes from a 4-cylinder turbocharged Deutz diesel engine producing about 156 horsepower, paired with a Rexroth load-sensing hydraulic system that supports up to about 9,500 kilograms of lifting capacity at typical boom lengths and provides robust flow for heavy attachments. Maximum travel speed across terrain is roughly 9 miles per hour thanks to its infinitely variable drive. Menzi Muck M5X isn't just a tractor. It's a walking all-terrain excavator engineered to move and operate where other machines cannot, blending off-road mobility, power, and precision for extreme slope and rugged landscape work. Rocka disc cutters are heavy-duty excavator attachments that turn standard machines into high-precision cutting tools for concrete, asphalt, and stone. Powered by the excavator's hydraulic system, a motor spins rugged cutting blades, drums, wheels, or discs at high speeds, delivering immense torque and continuous cutting action instead of repetitive striking. This results in cleaner cuts, less vibration, and faster progress on demanding civil and construction job sites. These cutters are versatile, handling a range of tasks including foundation cutting, trenching, road maintenance, demolition, mining, and shaping rock blocks. Some models feature 360-degree rotation for vertical cutting, reducing the need to reposition the excavator and boosting productivity. With precise control and minimized impact on surrounding structures, Rocka disc cutters are ideal for projects in urban or environmentally sensitive areas where efficiency, accuracy, and durability are critical. Case IA Quadra 715. Tracked Tractor is a high-horsepower agricultural crawler tractor built for extreme off-road stability and heavy field work by spreading weight over 4 individually driven oscillating rubber tracks rather than traditional wheels. That design gives it excellent traction, flotation over soft or uneven terrain, and reduced soil compaction compared with large wheeled tractors. At its heart is a 16-liter twin-stage turbocharged diesel engine that produces around 715 rated horsepower and up to 778 peak horsepower, enabling it to pull large tillage implements and high-capacity seeders or planters through tough conditions with confidence. The quad-track undercarriage spreads the machine's mass over a much larger contact area than wheels, boosting traction and grip on wet, soft, or loose soil, and allowing operators to work at higher speeds while protecting the ground. It also features heavy-duty track units with a longer footprint and more engaged drive lugs that enhance traction and track life under high-torque loads. Advanced comfort and control features include a suspended track system with hydraulic cushioning for smoother travel over rough fields, precision guidance and auto-steering technologies to reduce overlap and fatigue, and a powerful power drive transmission that helps deliver torque efficiently across all 4 tracks. This 4-tracked design makes the Quad-Track 715 ideal for large farms and operations where terrain varies and traction matters most, blending brute force with stability and field efficiency for demanding agricultural applications. Seamrock EK chain cutter attachments are heavy-duty excavator tools built around a patented continuous chain cutting system that excels at precise material removal for trenching, utility installation, road work, and excavation through tough surfaces like asphalt, concrete, and rock. Rather than smashing material with impact breakers, these cutters slice continuously with a chain-driven action that delivers consistent trench profiles with reduced vibration and noise. The EK range spans models for small to large excavators, generally from about 4,400 pounds up to over 150,000 pounds operating weight, and covers cutting widths from around 15 inches up to more than 50 inches, letting operators tailor a cutter to the task at hand. The Haley Shuttle is a striking piece of specialized transportation engineering. Essentially, it's a custom-built truck system designed to tackle a very specific challenge: moving helicopters by road without taking them apart. Its articulated design lets it handle tight turns and navigate urban streets, even while carrying a wide helicopter fuselage. The low-profile build keeps overall height manageable, making it easier to pass under bridges and overpasses. A secure mounting system locks the helicopter in place during transit, and the shuttle is engineered to meet road-legal dimensions, though oversized load permits may still be needed. This kind of equipment is invaluable for moving helicopters between maintenance facilities and operating bases, transporting aircraft for sales or relocation, delivering them to trade shows, or navigating situations where flying isn't practical due to weather, distance, or the aircraft's condition. Transporting helicopters fully intact saves serious time and money, while reducing the risk of damage from disassembly and reassembly. HSH Gantry RG500. Autonomous Seeder is a large, self-propelled autonomous planting machine developed by German agricultural technology company Horsch that brings precision seeding to broadacre farming with minimal soil compaction and reduced operator intervention. It represents a significant step toward autonomous field equipment for high-efficiency crop establishment. This autonomous seeder features a centralized motor unit positioned above the planting rows with front and rear traction and wide wheel spacings that allow it to pass through fields only once per planned row line. That single-pass strategy greatly reduces soil compaction, especially in wetter conditions, because the machine avoids repeated wheel traffic across the same ground. Under the motorized gantry, planting units adapted from Horsch's Maestro series deliver seeds with double V-disc openers and depth-limiting wheels, ensuring precise seed placement and consistent depth control across large widths. The system is designed with central seed tanks holding up to roughly 12,000 liters, so long-distance operation can continue with fewer refills. The Gantry RG500 can work planting widths of 24 meters up to as much as 36 meters, making it suitable for extensive soy, corn, and other row crop acreage. Its autonomy allows fields to be sown following GPS-mapped line plans with minimal human supervision, and it is part of Horsch's broader vision to incorporate computer planning, sensors, and farm data systems into next-generation agricultural workflows. HSH $1000. Heavy-duty airport snowblower is an industrial self-propelled snow removal machine engineered for rapid, high-capacity clearing of runways, taxiways, and large paved surfaces in extreme winter conditions. It's part of Overarsen's performance line of professional snowblowers built specifically for airports and similar infrastructure where reliability and speed are mission-critical. Powered by 2 diesel engines producing a combined 1,000 horsepower, this machine delivers exceptional propulsion and snow-clearing performance, so it can handle snow depths from light dustings up to nearly 80 inches of compacted snow in a single pass. The dual engines separately drive propulsion and the blower head, ensuring sustained high throughputs and consistent movement across large surfaces. A central feature is its two-stage blower head and high-speed design that can move more than 7,500 tons of snow per hour while casting it up to roughly 115 feet from the clearing path, keeping runways and other aviation surfaces safe and operational during storms. Ergonomics and visibility are enhanced by the unique flying cabin, which allows the operator to position the cab either ahead of or behind the blower chute for optimal sightlines in varying conditions. Built on a purpose-designed chassis with hydraulic suspension, it combines robust clearing capability, high operational speed, and durability for continuous snow management in demanding airport environments. Ponsee Ergo and Buffalo Harvesters are specialized heavy-duty forestry machines engineered for cut-to-length logging tasks with precision seeding and tree processing functions tailored for demanding timber operations. They combine robust power, advanced hydraulics, and operator-focused comfort to support productive harvesting in varied terrain. The Ponsee Ergo Harvester is an 8-wheeled wheeled harvester designed around reliability, ease of maintenance, and excellent visibility for efficient tree processing. It features a powerful diesel engine tuned for forestry work, a large crane reach to access trees at distance, and compatibility with multiple Ponsee harvester heads such as H6, H7, and H8 that deliver strong feed force and precise cutting across species and stem sizes. Its design emphasizes stable operation and ergonomic cabin comfort to reduce fatigue during long shifts. The Ponsee Buffalo Harvester steps that capability up with options like the active frame cabin suspension system, which actively minimizes sideways movement and vibration to significantly improve operator comfort on rough ground. This system maintains a more horizontal cabin attitude during transport and work, reducing physical strain and helping maintain focus and productivity throughout extended shifts. Both models are built to deliver precise planting and harvesting performance with minimal soil impact, powerful hydraulics for manipulating large trees and logs, and intuitive control systems that boost efficiency even in challenging forest conditions, making them standout choices for professional logging operations that demand durability and operator comfort. Portum 1200. Amphibious Multifunction Machine is a heavy-duty amphibious work vehicle engineered to operate both on land and in water and perform a variety of environmental maintenance tasks, such as ice cutting on waterways, clearing river channels of debris and vegetation, shallow water dredging, and collecting surface pollutants like oil or floating waste with specialized attachments. These amphibious machines are built with watertight hulls and pontoons, so they can transition seamlessly between dry ground and water without external launch equipment, giving them true dual-terrain capability. The Portum 1200 type machine is typically equipped with a diesel powertrain and hydraulic drive system that power interchangeable tools including cutter heads for ice or aquatic weeds, dredge pumps for sediment removal, and debris rakes or skimming tools for water cleanup. It walks in and out of water under its own propulsion and can anchor itself for stable operation while cutting, dredging, or skimming. Mini Guss Autonomous Sprayer is a purpose-built robotic spraying machine engineered for precision crop protection in vineyards, high-density orchards, berries, hops, and similar row crop environments where tight spacing and labor constraints make conventional sprayers inefficient. It operates autonomously using advanced guidance systems so growers can monitor and manage spraying without riding on the machine itself. This autonomous sprayer combines GPS navigation, LiDAR sensing, cameras, and proprietary software to steer itself row by row through trellised crops, follow mapped paths, and apply pesticides, fungicides, or nutrients with accuracy that reduces waste and environmental impact. A single operator can remotely supervise as many as 8 units at once from a laptop or vehicle via real-time telemetry, cutting labor costs and exposure to chemicals. Mini Guss is built on a 4-wheel drive chassis powered by a 3.8-liter Cummins diesel engine and carries a 400-gallon spray tank so it can run autonomously for long periods across terrain without frequent refills. It measures about 20 feet long, 6 feet wide, and 5 feet tall, making it compact enough to handle narrow rows that larger autonomous sprayers cannot navigate. Optional Vineyard or Apple Towers expand its application range by adding dedicated spray heads for two-row work or high-density trellis systems, enhancing versatility for diverse crop layouts. The machines of today are building the world of tomorrow, and what you saw is just the beginning. If your mind is blown, smash that like button, share this video with anyone obsessed with incredible technology, and subscribe for more epic breakthroughs in engineering and innovation. The next wave of machines is already on the move, and you don't want to be left behind.